Hello, and welcome back to Human Core. And today we want to talk about reverse engineering in Apple websites UI in Figma and why it feels so premium. Yeah, everyone wants to have a website like Apple. Everyone dreaming about that. And the most important, every our clients saying we need like Apple, but no one understands why Apple looks so cool. So in this simple video, I just want to highlight the main principles and identify why it's really so cool. So first of all, first impression last. They don't need lots of representations. They have clear call to actions, one beautiful phrase to explain the product, to highlight the premium status of it, and of course, nice buttons. That's it. Nothing else. Product, main visionary sentence, call to action. And that's creating that depth effect. That's creating that deep premium vibe which Apple does. And that's the most important rule I can say. First impression last and make your product really visible. Next thing is of course fonts. Don't be honest, fonts and typography is the most important phase of each project. If you have this, you will be successful. So, because bad font can spoil everything. Good font can transform even bad design into masterpiece. So, Apple uses San Francisco font. That's beautiful, high accessible font which highlights premium and clarity. And if you want to have that effect like Apple does, you need to follow good typography rules and find out the best font combination. In that case, it will work. Number 3, grid and layout. If you will talk on website from the perspective of readability, it's just like a text, but that text recreated in the beautiful layout, items, combinations, and visuals, just not to be boring, but to give clarity, visual representative of the product or of the message which your website providing. And to make this effect, you need to follow grid and layout rules. So Apple does this. Apple have a good strict guidelines, layouts, and structure which clearly guide the user through the whole website, providing better understanding of what is that, how the product looks like, and they just using their layout to keep one message and to put that message into your head. Another thing is the color palette. Another important piece of the product. Apple not using too much colors. They're using 3-1, white, black, and one highlighted blue. That's good because they're using lots of colors to make distinctions. But the most important, they still using one actionable color to be sure that key information will be highlighted and every user can understand that. The next one is buttons and UI elements. That's important. That's the reason how Apple making good design. They're not using too much colors in their design system, but they're using lots of colors in different UI elements, and the UI looks beautiful and balanced. And the most important, in their UI elements, they had a lot of accessibility and clarity, so every user will understand what that element does. And of course, animations. No one needs boring pictures and boring interface details. That's something that can be done 10 years ago. If you want to be modern, if you want to engage people, we need to have motion. We need to have interactions. We need to have wow animations, 3D stuff, smooth scrolling. So only in that case that premium vibe can be recreated. Clarity can be provided using visuals and nice interactions. And the most important, it brings more live stuff to the website. Only in that case it can work. And so key takeaways and recommendations. Be simple, have clarity, be consistent, animations and interactions is everything for you, and of course follow grid rules and accessibility. In that case, your message which you're trying to send through your website will be definitely explained to the user in the clear way. Thanks for watching this. I hope this short video helped you to understand better how Apple recreating that feeling of nice design and nice visuals, and how to create such premium vibe using UI tools, interactions, and nice copywriting, which not just made using ChatGPT, but which is made in good marketing purpose with good marketing team after developing lots of customer development interviews with product in mind and clarity on paper. Only in that case the text can work and just in one sentence highlight the whole deepness of the product. So that's what we're doing in Human Core. So looking forward, if you need something like Apple, you know our contacts below. Thank you so much. If the video was helpful for you, please put a thumb up, leave a comment, and looking forward to see you in next videos. Cheers.